So I'm just gonna start. This one is a size 12. Hot and warm to touch lah. There he goes. Oh. So I'm just gonna do bit by bit. There it is. So this is the O-ring. The O-ring is not supposed to be like that. See? It's not supposed to stick on it. This is the, I think if you can see the part number, O-ring. The O-ring. Just gonna lay it. It fits nicely, yeah. S7 E344009. It looks identical. So use tissue, clean the residue inside. Use the blood. You put the O-ring, it's not like hanging around or what. EO plug. One time enough.